What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video here on my channel, Life of Ricky. And in today's video, we are actually bringing you guys a POV video that has been highly requested in my comment section, in my DMs. So I have the GoPro head mount here with the GoPro Hero 6 Black, and we are gonna go do a POV drive in this, not like canyon, but more of a windy road area. And just bring you guys a short, nice POV exhaust clip video. Let's just get right into this and get you guys on the head cam. Alright, you guys, I got you on the GoPro on my phone here. We're done filming with the G7X. I know I have a GoPro on my head. I look kind of weird. It's kind of cool. I can see you guys through here in my phone. Kind of weird. Alright, let's get straight into this. Traction controls off. Don't make fun of my driving. I've never driven this car super hard before, so, and I'm not a race car driver. I just do this stuff for fun. This might get interesting. Oh man, that was a great time. There's a CHP right there. Oh my god. Is he turning around? You guys, whew, my heart just dropped. I've never seen a CHP on this road before. Oh my god. You guys, I've never seen a CHP on this road. Why is there a CHP on this road? It's a back road, look at this. Dude, my heart is racing. Oh my god. I wonder if he turned around. Dude. Oh my god. I don't think he turned around, but that was a close. We're cruising right now, boys. We're cruising. Oh my god. I can't make this up. Okay, I'm gonna switch back to the G7X. You guys, there's never police on that road. Like, never. And I wasn't like pushing the car like hard, but still, like, there's never, it's a like hidden back road in the middle of nowhere. Like, there's no police out there. I can't believe there was a highway patrol. That would have sucked if I got pulled over. I do not need a speeding ticket right now, and I do not need a state referee right now. That was scary. I guess I have a cool title now, right? POV Canyon Run almost turns into state ref, I guess. I don't know. But you know what? I'm not gonna end the video there. We're gonna go to a different canyon like 5 minutes from here and go rip that one, like if my lesson isn't learned already. So let's go to that one and rip that canyon. I'll see you guys on the GoPro over there. All right, we're back in a different canyon, I guess you could say. Dude, that was scary. Fun fact, I've never been pulled over in the BMW, only in my 370Z. There's the ocean, if you guys can see that. You guys see that? Oh, you guys can see that. There's the Pacific Ocean. This is also a really fun road to drive. It's a state park here where I live. This one's good. A lot of people out. A lot of tourists come to this spot over here. Oh yeah, look at those views on views. Yep. Little canyon run here. God, the sounds of this car is seriously insane. Like, my God. Dude. For all of you guys that go in my comment section right now and be like, dude, you're blowing your turbo out. I know. I don't care. I know. Oh my God. Oh, skirt, skirt. Watch out there, lady. Oh my God, it sounds so good. Because I do plan on going pure stage 2 turbo this summer, probably like July. I would love to do it before Monterey Car Week, just so I can run a stock Huracan. That'd be kind of fun. I'd love to see how a 500, because I think, one second. Because SSR Performance and the Pure Turbo has told me that to run 540 to 560 wheel, depending on your other bolt-ons, but I'm almost full bolt-ons. And I think a stock Huracan is around, like an LP 610, I think is around 550 wheel. So that would be a fun run. Obviously, they have a gnarlier transmission than I do, but I think it'd be a great run. Oh, behind an RV. I'm not pushing it too hard because there's state park rangers and those guys don't mess around. You get in trouble with one of those guys, they don't care. But look how beautiful it is here. All right, I'm gonna go turn around up here and head this way. So I'll see you guys when we turn around. All right, we are turned around now. There's the beach, part of the beach. Paul, let me know how you guys like these POV videos. This is my first one, so it's kind of a practice POV run, but I live right by, well, I live on Highway 1 in the middle of Los Angeles and San Francisco. And so there's a famous place called Big Sur that I'm about an hour and a half south of, or an hour south of. And I'm trying to get a bunch of my buddies to get a little convoy going up to like Big Sur to get lunch. And it'd be a great video, especially for POV, because those canyons and those views are insane. Like, seriously insane. So if you want to see that, leave it in the comments. If you want to see like a Highway 1 rally cruise video with a bunch of POV stuff and other loud cars and flybys and possibly some runs. I'm not huge on racing. I don't condone it. I don't like it. But a little fun run won't hurt anybody every once in a while. But yeah, now we're back in open roads. God, this car is so fun, dude. And I'm not pushing it super hard because I'm a little bit, not freaked out, but a little bit like stunned still after seeing a cop around a corner in a couple clips ago. So, uh-oh. Sorry, horses, don't get mad at me, please. That owner did not look happy with me, but whatever. Look how crazy it looks. Oh, the sounds. Skirt, skirt. Little Mazda Miata. Yup. And yes, I do realize I'm staying in high gears. Not trying to go to jail today, boys. Not trying to go to jail today. Oh my God, it sounds so good. It sounds insane. I keep saying that, but it does. Oh, there's a big plane up there. Views on views, boys. every state park ranger can hear me. Whoa, dude, chill out. Okay, well, they cut me off. Oh my God. Well, the van's kind of getting it. I like it. I'm gonna pull over to the top up here and get out of the car, show you the views. Also, I want to thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. I'm gonna make more of a formal video on the 1,000 subscriber mark and what the giveaway is gonna be, because I think we're gonna change up the giveaway to something more that you guys want, more than something that's more like stupid and that you guys possibly don't want. So I think we're gonna change up the giveaway, but I'm gonna get out of my car. No, I'm not. I don't like vlogging in public. Cool, Mercedes. But yeah, thank you guys for 1,000 subscribers. Like, for real, it means a lot. But I do want to make a formal video on it. And what I'm gonna do in the future with this channel, because I'm loving YouTube right now. Like, this is so fun. I get the most positive. No thanks. I get the most positive feedback from you guys. Sorry, I don't get much hate, which is really nice here on YouTube, because a lot of creators get a lot of hate, and I get a lot of love. So I appreciate that. Appreciate 1,000 subscribers. The videos are gonna get way more gnarly, and I'm thinking about the next build. Well, I'm gonna keep this build and make this thing insane. I'm not. Okay, all right, yeah. I'm nowhere near done with this car. Like, this car is nowhere near finished. I have so much planned with this thing. I'm just getting started, but I do want to add a second car to the channel here in the near future, here in the next couple of months. I'm honestly looking, nothing like, no 335i, no M3, but I think I want to get a 330i or a 128. Honestly, I think a 128 would be so sick. You don't really see much 1 Series builds on YouTube, so I kind of want to get a 128 and do the simple stuff. You know, front lip, side skirts, make the most OEM plus daily, but not make it look like it's a fake 135i or fake 1M, excuse me. But yeah, I think a 128 would be sick. Get one more pull here. Yes, sir. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. A 330i or a 128 or even an X5. I was even looking at E46s like this, guys. That ladies, E46s are also nice. Just let me know down in the comments below. But I'm gonna pull over up here, I think, and finish this video out. Yeah, I'm gonna pull over here. I'll see you guys in 1 sec. All right, we made it back to the house. I hope all of you guys enjoyed the GoPro footage and a little update on what's happening on the channel, and thank you for 1,000 subscribers. Real quick, I wanna show you guys the front lip real quick. Bam, the fitment is way better now. I redid the entire thing. I took it off, redid it all. And it's a 2-person job. Me and my dad finished that, and it looks way better. Definitely do it with 2 people. It's a lot easier with 2 people. I promise you guys that. Also, if you have made it this far in the video, please leave a random emoji in the comments so I know who has made it this far in the video. Yeah, more on that in a separate video, but just leave an emoji if you got this far in the video. All right, like always, I appreciate you guys so much for watching today's video. Please, if you haven't already, go down there and subscribe. My analytics say 80% are not subscribed, so please go down there, click the subscribe button, support your boy. I appreciate every one of you guys. Keep a lookout for the giveaway video coming up soon. I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.